subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus has finally launched its new smartphone under OnePlus 8 series globally called OnePlus 8T with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus 8T features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a large 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports HDR10+, and the phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass on both the sides. Under the hood, the smartphone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The device packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the OnePlus 8T supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a square module at the top left corner, including dual LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view plus 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has a 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX471 sensor. In terms of software, the handset runs on latest Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with advanced liquid cooling system to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.7 by 74.1 by 8.4 mm and it weighs around 188 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus 8T has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 42,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 45,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 16th, while in the US it is available for pre-orders with the sale starting from October 23rd. The OnePlus 8T will be available in Aqua Marine Green and Luna Silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus 8T smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.